Today I'd like to show you how to flare some jeans. This was a very special project for me because my son actually wanted to craft with me, and so of course when he asked me to show him how to flare some jeans, I'd never done it before. I was like, let's figure this out, mate. It's going to be great. I love that he loves to op shop with me, and we found these jeans that he loved, but he just thought he'd like a little bit more flare in the legs. The first step is to find some material that you'd like to flare it with. My son chose some old shorts from my partner's stash. Next, you'll need to mark on the outside of each leg how far up you'd like the flare to go. Then, using a quick unpick, you can carefully unpick the seam up to that mark. I think my son did a great job. Here it is, all ready to insert the new material. On the material that you'd like to add, work out how high it needs to be and then create your angle. The wider the angle, the larger the flare will be. We were using folded material to make it nice and even. The next step is to cut your material into the triangle that you're going to be using. If you have an iron, you can certainly iron them at this stage, but we live on a boat and irons are way too heavy. Now you need to pin the triangles into where they're going to be sewn. Make sure that the front of the material is facing inwards. We found it easier to sew one side at a time. Once we'd sewn one side, we then pinned the other side, making it ready to sew. Trim off all the extra bits and then do the same on the other side. If you've got an overlocker, you could also overlock them. Here's our finished product. My son was super happy. I'd love to try this project again, but using lace and making it more feminine for me. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Happy crafting, everyone!